magnetic contact detector. The magnetic contact detector comprises two parts, a detector and a magnet, and are used to protect the main entry points into the property. Positioning the detector. The detector should be mounted along the opening edge of the door or window opposite the hinges, with the magnet mounted on the opening part of the door or window and the detector mounted on the fixed frame. The alignment marks on the magnet and detector should be together, with the gap between the magnet and detector less than 10 mm when the door or window is closed. The magnetic contact detector must be mounted within the specified radio range of 75 meters to the control panel. Don't forget to allow for any obstructions in between that may reduce this range. Take care not to position the detector directly onto, behind, or very close to metalwork, as this could affect the operating range of your system. Installing and configuring the detector. The magnet and detector may be fitted in position using either adhesive pads or screws provided. In this example, we're using the adhesive pads. For further information on screw mounting, refer to your instruction manual. Ensure that all mounting surfaces are clean, dry and free from grease. Remove the protective film from one side of the adhesive pads and apply them to the back of both the magnet and detector, pressing them firmly into place. Once the adhesive pads are located onto both the detector and magnet, they can be fixed to your desired location on the door or window. Remove the remaining protective film from both pads and firmly press each part into position. Remember that the maximum distance between the two parts must be less than 10 mm when the door or window is closed, and that the magnet should go onto the opening door and the detector onto the frame. It's important that the arrows on both the detector and magnet are lined up. Remove the battery cover. There are two terminals provided for the connection of an optional additional wired magnetic contact. For further details on connecting a wired magnetic contact, please refer to your instruction manual. If an additional wired magnetic contact is not used, then the jumper link located immediately below the terminals must be left fitted in position. Otherwise, the detector will not function. Set switches 1 to 8 to your chosen house code using the tip of a small screwdriver or ballpoint pen. Ensure that each switch clicks fully into position. Set switches 9 and 10 in the on position with the switch up and switch 11 in the off position with the switch down. Switches 9, 10 and 11 are used to set the alarm zone that the detector will operate on. In this case, the detector will operate on zone 1, so switches 9, 10 and 11 are all set in the off position with the switches down. For details on the switching setting required for other zone settings, please refer to your instruction manual. Switch 12 is not used and can be ignored. Now fit two coin cell batteries into the battery holder, ensuring that the positive face of each battery is upwards. Close and then open the door or window to which the detector is fitted. As the magnet is moved away from the detector, the LED will illuminate for approximately 1 second. Refit the battery cover. Your magnetic contact detector is now ready to use.